Hello and welcome back to the channel. Check it out. We got the Syncro, not the Syncro 4, the Syncro, the two-wheel drive Syncro buggy by Team Corrali. We're out here at the track today. This is something I've been eager to try out to see how good or bad two-wheel drive will be out here at the track. Now I do have some tires on here, some good pinned racing tires provided by our good friend Jimmy at Classic RC. So if you happen to live in the Panhandle area, go check out Classic RC. Support our local hobby shops that help us keep our cars running and keep these tracks going. All right, everybody, they're doing some lawn mowing here, so might be a little loud. Apologize for that. Got to get this filming done. Hopefully the mic that I have will help. Come on. If I had four-wheel drive right there, it would be amazing. Never doubt the Synchro. Ooh. Now guys, if you missed me running the Typhon out here, it's been very dry here. You can still see raindrops kind of in the dirt here. There hasn't been a whole lot of activity. The track's not in the best shape. Holy crap. And I had the hardest time keeping the Typhon going. And that thing's all-wheel drive. This is just two-wheel drive. Man, look at how easy this thing just spins. Wow, that is just insane. I always struggle with this corner. Damn depth perception. I mean, look, I even got a gyro on this thing and it's still like freaking crazy. Wow. It's like freaking skating on ice. I'll tell you what though, this thing jumps really, really well. The Typhon's a bit heavy for out here actually. Just hitting these jumps, it just wants to nosedive really, really bad. This thing is doing really good for what little bit I can get out of it. I mean, we're hitting these jumps kind of slow and it still catches some nice air. Ay. Well, I'll tell you what, if you want to hone your driving skills, this is the way to do it, because this two-wheel drive is going to make you freaking work. Oh, yay. I'll tell you what, man, the Synchros are good buggies. I'm not 100%, sold on the two-wheel drive. I don't, the purpose of why they went this route. The Syncro 4 is absolutely amazing. Who knows? I might just make this a Syncro 4 and tune this one just for the track. That way I can kind of keep the other one with the diffs a little bit more locked up for heavier bashing kind of use. And we'll tune this one for the track. Maybe. Come on, man. Guys, I never claimed to be a racing guru or anything like that. I come out here to try to hone my skills, man. On that, I get people commenting about my damn driving. Sheesh. I'm just out here trying to show the hobby's fun. Even if you aren't very good at doing this, it's still fun. What's not fun and you're not very good at is flying airplanes. Because when you're not very good and you keep crashing, that sucks. Ask me how I know. That's something I need to do too. I haven't done that in a while. Take a plane out. Last year, man, we just had such extreme winds. Even this year, it's been a bit windy, but I think it's kind of calmed down a little bit. And then wintertime will come and it's going to be cold and windy. Oh, come on, man. There we go. Sheesh. Oh, there I am going the wrong way. Yeah, you know, you don't have to be very good at this and still have fun. You just hone it. Man, it's been like, I don't know, probably a year since I've been out here. I hate to say it. I know I don't believe I've been out here at all this year. I don't think I came, I think last year I came out here and then school was out. And then I took some time off because A, it was summer, it was hot as hell, and then school was out. So I didn't want to come here because there's a bunch of kids and stuff. Woohoo, that was a nice jump. One thing I don't like with these Dumbos is the friggin' lag in trying to get into reverse. Sheesh. This is just insane. Insanely slick. I brought 4 cars out here to run, but I think I'm gonna wrap it up with this. I'm just getting too hot. It's in the 90s and I'm out here in the sun, and I could tell now I'm just kind of starting to get little heat. Oh, heat's bothering me a little bit. Back's hurting. Ay, ay, ay. I should have got out here earlier when it was cooler. But man, dude, this thing is is a hand, even with the pin tires, and these are very, very soft tires. See, I'm getting to the point I'm just getting bothered now, and everything's frustrating me. So now I could tell I'm not the best driver. I'll say that right now. But when I just start doing stupid stuff like that, it's because the back pain is getting to me, the sounds, everything else. And then the more I start flipping the car like this, I just get aggravated. Try to calm down, try to relax here, and try to hone my skills, learn this car. Sheesh. Ay, ay, ay. Yeah, I am, like, I could actually feel my heart's kind of going here a little bit. It's, wow, 104. Yeah, I'm not even doing anything. My heart's friggin' racing, probably just due to the heat. So yeah, I think it's just time to wrap it up. Kind of sucks, like I said, I had 2 other cars to run out here, but the heat just puts a strain on you. Well, all right, everyone, I appreciate the support. I appreciate you watching. I hope you enjoyed watching the 2-wheel drive Synchro. We'll be back out in the winter, a little cooler weather. Hopefully have some fun. Maybe I'm about to go to the hobby shop, get some stuff. I'll talk to the owner there and see what the plans are about maybe what they're going to do for the track. But I am grateful to have it. It does need a little maintenance, but man, it is really cool to have a track to come out here and run. I hear from a lot of people that they wish they had something like this near them. And I am fortunate. You know, it's not like around the corner. It takes a while. That's why I picked 4 cars to come out here. So I'd have several videos, but the heat's getting to me. All right, everyone. Greatly appreciate the support. Link down below if you're interested in that car. If you want to buy a Syncro 4, anything Team Corrali, I'll leave a link down below. Also, if you shop Amazon, A-Main Tower, all that stuff, there's an affiliate link. If you start there and then do your shopping, thank you so much. I appreciate those of you that do that. It means a lot. It helps give me the money to buy this stuff so I can keep the channel running. I don't make that much on YouTube, and I put more into it buying RC cars than I ever make. So those of you that help me out with the affiliate stuff, thank you. So appreciate the support. Thanks for watching. See you next one.